What's up guys, we're back with one day at a time. This is day 3 into our project. So just a quick recap or update. So far we got 3 frame in, and a lot has changed since then. Originally we were going to do a fish tank right here. We canceled that. We're doing a panel of tile. It comes out really nice. I'm really happy about it. Save a little bit of space because we're gonna need all the space. And then this, I painted black last night. I mean, if you see the video up to this point, you know that at the end of day 2 I painted this black, but as a result it's not as nice as white, so I repainted to white. Same thing with this part of the wall. When I paint this black, I cut this whole part black. All the edge around the border, it swallows up, it eats up all the LED lights, and it doesn't reflect, it doesn't give that, it doesn't illuminate that special effect. I mean, might be hard to explain, but if you've seen day 2, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So if you haven't, please go back and watch that. So yeah, so around the border we're gonna do like a messy, dim unevenly, like a graffiti type of effect. And then the rest of the room we're gonna paint black still, because we're still going for the dungeon look. So, and yesterday I did as much as possible. I went to the very last drop of paint, so it's not like I could have done more. But as I was applying a second coat for the semi-gloss white paint, we ran out. See how you can still see black around the border? So it's like 95% done. That's why I bought more. So I'm gonna finish that second coat, and then I'm gonna do the black paint and finish the room with it. Alright, so here we are, starting day 3. Let me go check the mail to see if the LED lights arrived. According to Amazon, the other set of LED lights should be arriving today. Actually, let me check, see if they dropped it off. Yep, it did, so let me go grab it. Here we have it. So Amazon tracking, very, very accurate. If they tell you it's going to come today, it's going to come today. Here we go. See that? We're about to apply this right now on camera. So you guys can see how this right here is nice already. So when we add this in, it's gonna make it extra nice. And we are gonna get to see the before and after effect. So this is why we drilled a hole before when we did this piece. For this purpose right here. See that? We got our LED lights. So there's 3 buttons on it. One button is just to change the color, one button is to choose how bright you want it, and one button is the power. This light actually is very, very nice. nice that look already? Right size for that LED strip. So for example, you notice here is a different color. There's like light blue, dark blue. So the two different colors because I patch it up. It's still gonna look nice. But so yeah, I happen to find a strip that is that long, and then I patch it up. So over here, you notice that it went all, start here, go all the way here, went down here, go back out over here, and right here. So I'm gonna have to measure from here to here, here to here, see whatever the total is, and right here, actually end all the way over here. I'm gonna have to figure out how long that is and then find the right length for it, and I'm gonna pass that up. Same thing over here. I mean, you try to buy as long as possible and then use that whole thing. I actually ran into a little hiccup. This strip is supposed to be a lot longer than it appears. But earlier when I did it, I yanked on it too hard when I try to stretch it out, and then it snaps. So that's why this, and right here, because it snapped right here. See that? It snapped. Put it in the trash. So right here, I yanked it too hard and it snapped off. So, but it was supposed to go all the way. It was supposed to end somewhere around here, but it snapped off. But it's alright. It happens. But just be careful when you deal with them. Don't put too much force on them. But so far it looks very, very nice, even though it's not finished. This is about 70% finished. Just do a 360 for you guys. So yeah, so today, which is day 3, I am going to paint the room black. So as you can see, yesterday we did this black and we messed it up, so we brought it back to white. So we're gonna paint the rest of the room black and then wait for more LED strip to come in. Should be tomorrow. And the biggest messed up is the room, the door that's to come into this room is only 28 inch. And the minimum requirement for the game to come in here is 32 inch. So the main arcade, the one that I really, really want, or the one that's most expensive, that is not gonna go in this room. I'm trying to contact the seller to return it, but I doubt that they'll accept it. I mean, overall, I can return it after I accept it, but I'm trying to block the order before they even come here, so it can save me some shipping costs. Yeah, so far everything looks really nice. Really, really nice. I like how it come out so far. But I don't know, for some reason, I think I'm very strongly allergic to all this scent, the paint. It's very toxic, there's a lot of chemical in there. So, and I use some spray paint too to spray around the mortar. And this room right now is smelling very toxic, like that spray paint smell. And it's making my nose running really crazy. It keep on running non-stop. And my nose is stuffy too, that's why I sound different. And I'm having a hard time talking because my nose is stuffy, I have to catch my breath. But anyways, I'm gonna continue painting. I try to have as much on camera as possible for you guys. Alright, so let's get to it. So what I'm trying to go for is that zigzag uneven white frame of layer of spray paint and paintbrush. So I'm trying to do an even layer around the frame. Otherwise, the color is going to be sucked up by the black paint again. Sorry, I forgot to turn the camera for you guys. Alright, so I'll finish the rest off camera, but you get the idea. See how I had to bring that white color back? Well, remember I told you the LED snap off, but right here, see if I didn't do this white ziggity zaggity border around the frame, this color would eat up all the light and there'll be no effect at all. So since that, now we're doing that ziggity zag. See that? So now we got the black room that we wanted, the theme, the black dungeon. This original one we was gonna do black. I did do it black last night, but it came out. It just the wall just eat it all up. So you don't get to see the detail and all that stuff. So I did I woke extra late until 4 a.m. last night to paint this white again. So made this white to bring that color out. Remember this one line, two line. There was two line yesterday when we did it black. I did this white. Now you bring back 1, 2, 3, 4. So you bring out 4 line of LED strip effect. But so far very nice. So off camera, I'll talk to you guys a little bit before I wrap this up. So off camera, I'm gonna wait for the black to dry a little bit, and I'm gonna use white spray paint and spray paint where the black meet the white, so we'll have that smoky effect, that blending effect, that fading effect, so that two color will fade together. So I'm gonna spray around the border to cause that smoky effect, and that's about it. Wait till but I can't do that yet, so I gotta wait for the paint to dry up. In the meantime, I'll clean up, wrap it up. That's about it. And if you're still watching, thank you. And I guess there is going to be a day 4 because we're not completed. Day 4 is pretty much like a touch-up day. I should know the panel, but we forgot. So we're still waiting for the panel and more LED lights. Install the panel, and this thing's going to look way much better. So install the panel, do touch-up. Fill up the nail hole, spray paint, and fill up the game, fill up this room with games. And yeah, I mentioned that the main game that I was gonna have, it required a minimum of a 32-inch door. I actually read the detail today on the product review from the arcade that I ordered. That door right there, it is required at least 32-inch, but I just measured it's only 28-inch, so I'm gonna have to find a way to return it. Yeah, that sucks. But alright guys, again, as always, thanks for watching. Peace out.